Hello students, welcome back to all. In the previous lecture we studied about local time, measurement of the time on the poles, longitudes and the local time, longitudinal extent and the use of local times. Today we are going to learn about standard time. My dear students, what is standard time? Let's see. The local time at the longitude passing through the middle of a country is known as the standard time. We begin with can you tell? Here question number first. Mumbai is located at 73° E longitude. Kolkata is located at 88° E longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. My dear students, I have put here directly answers. You have to write down the questions and answers in the notebook. The answer of this question, the difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata would be of 88 minus 73 is equal to 15. It means 15 degree. Question number second. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time at Kolkata? Answer. The local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude, and we know the difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata, which is 15 degree. Therefore, time difference is equal to 15 multiplied by 4 is equal to 60 minutes. Is equal to 60 minutes divided by 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Therefore, it is 3 p.m. at Mumbai, then it would be 4 p.m. at Kolkata. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Their local times differ by an hour. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerges in carrying out daily business in the country. My dear students, discrepancies means differences. Therefore, the local time at the longitude which passes through the middle of the country is considered to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country. With respect to business at global level, there should be compatibility between the standard times of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with a reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. But if the longitudinal extent, that is east-west extent, is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. Now, let's see about Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time, that is IST, has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes longitude, which passes through Mirzapur. It is near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country when the sun is directly overhead on this longitude. Then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree 30 minutes and other places in the country. So here in India, the time at 82 degree 30 is considered as standard time of India. Now, can you tell? Look at the figure and answer the following questions. Question number first. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? Answer. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, 29 longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map. Question number second. By how many minutes do two consecutive longitudes differ? Answer. Two consecutive longitude differs by 4 minutes. Question number third. What is the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur? Answer. The value of longitude at Mirzapur is 82 degree 30 minutes. Next question. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 E, what would be the time in their clocks at the following places? Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati. The answer. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 E, it would be 8 am in their clocks at the places Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer and Guwahati. Last question. Though the distance between them is more, why doesn't the standard time differ in these places? Answer. In India, the time at 82 degree 30 E is considered as standard time of India, and therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. Therefore, though the distance between them is more, the standard time doesn't differ in these places. Dear students, this is the assignment for you. Write down the answer of these questions in the notebook. Solve the worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.